Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you're looking for a durable, spacious duffel bag that can handle your next trip, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be showing you the top 5 best duffel bags for checked luggage, carefully selected for their build quality, capacity, portability, and real user feedback. For more details and the latest prices, check out the links to all the products in the description below. Now, let's get into it. Number 1. Amazon Basics Large Duffel Bag. The Amazon Basics Large Duffel Bag is a versatile travel companion built to handle the demands of long trips. Made from 100% polyester, it's designed for durability that stands up to frequent use while keeping your belongings secure. Its spacious 35-inch interior offers plenty of room for clothes, shoes, and travel essentials, making it ideal for extended getaways. Mobility is effortless with the integrated telescopic handle and smooth inline wheels, so you can glide through airports or busy terminals without strain. Multiple zippered compartments help organize smaller items, giving you easy access when you need it. Finished in classic black, it delivers practicality with a sleek, professional look that works for any trip. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a long vacation, the Amazon Basics Duffel delivers comfort, convenience, and reliable performance from start to finish. Number 2. LOVEVOOK Large Weekender Duffel Bag. The LOVEVOOK Large Weekender Duffel Bag brings together organization, convenience, and style, designed especially with women travelers in mind. Its smart layout includes a separate shoe compartment and a free toiletry bag, keeping clean and used items apart. The main compartment fits up to 5 days of clothing, while multiple inner pockets help you stay organized with electronics, travel documents, or small accessories. It's lightweight but strong, meeting most international carry-on size requirements. The built-in trolley sleeve makes it easy to slide over rolling luggage for smooth airport travel. Its quilted design adds a touch of sophistication, and waterproof PVC-lined pockets let you safely store damp or wet items. Beyond air travel, it works just as well for the gym, hospital stays, or weekend trips. With its blend of function, flexibility, and fashion, the LOVEVOOK Weekender keeps your packing simple and your style effortless. Number 3. Fmeida Travel Duffel with Shoe Compartment. Up next, the Fmeida Travel Duffel with Shoe Compartment, a go-to for travelers who want a balance of space, durability, and smart organization. With a roomy 65-liter capacity, it fits all your essentials but folds into a compact size when not in use, perfect as a backup or just-in-case bag to avoid extra baggage fees. Made from lightweight, water-resistant polyester with reinforced stress points and strong zippers, it's built to last while remaining easy to carry. The separate shoe compartment keeps footwear away from your clothes, while interior pockets hold passports, phones, or other small items. Comfortable handles, an adjustable shoulder strap, and a luggage sleeve give you flexible carrying options, over the shoulder, by hand, or attached to your suitcase. Whether for short trips or longer adventures, the Fmeida Duffel adapts to your travel needs with reliability and organized convenience. Number 4. Dimayar Travel Duffel Bag. The Dimayar Travel Duffel Bag is a great combination of lightweight design and spacious storage. Made from water-resistant, tear-resistant polyester, it weighs less than 1 pound, yet expands to hold roughly 65 liters of gear. When folded, it fits neatly into a small pouch, making it an ideal spare travel bag. When opened, it's ready to carry weekend essentials or overflow items from your main suitcase. Its layout includes multiple compartments, a separate shoe pocket, dual handles, and an adjustable shoulder strap for comfort. The built-in luggage sleeve slides easily over suitcase handles, ensuring a smooth experience through airports. From gym sessions and overnight stays to air travel or shopping, this duffel adapts easily to your plans. The Dimayar's thoughtful craftsmanship and reliable materials make it a versatile, durable companion for travelers who appreciate both function and simplicity. Number 5. Packable Airlines Duffel, 22 by 14 by 9. Finishing off our list, the Packable Airlines Duffel offers a compact, travel-friendly design built for maximum convenience. Sized at 20.5 by 13.8 by 8.7 inches, it meets most major airline carry-on standards, fitting neatly into overhead bins or under seats. With a 40-liter capacity, it's perfect for travel essentials, gym clothes, or a quick weekend getaway. The exterior pocket gives quick access to travel documents or smaller items, while the main compartment handles larger packing needs. It features a padded, adjustable shoulder strap for comfort and a trolley sleeve that fits over rolling luggage handles for smooth, effortless mobility. Constructed from tear-resistant fabric with reinforced straps and strong zippers, it's built for frequent travelers who value dependability. Lightweight yet rugged, the Packable Airlines Duffel delivers the perfect balance of portability, strength, and everyday practicality. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best duffel bags for checked luggage. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more travel gear reviews and smart packing tips. Thanks for watching Tech Talk Reviews. See you in the next one.